You wouldn't hit record? You didn't hit record.
You're an amateur.
Nick, no! What did you do? I can just use one camera. I'll just cut it together. Okay.
Mic check. Hey Pela fam, I'm Haley, registered dietitian with Okanagan Nutrition, and this is Tess.
I'm the videographer at Pela. I'm never in front of the camera. Hello.
What a treat! And this is this week's episode of Cookin and Compostin. So, as per Tess's request, what are we making?
Is it like a pumpkin spice latte?
Yeah.
Or with oat milk. I love oat milk.
Oat milk, yes. Yep. I'll be honest, I never have been a PSL fan.
Yeah, me either. Also, so
Which is weird.
Because we're making it, so.
Well, we have some oat milk. We've got some pumpkin spice, 100% pure pumpkin puree, and then a few tablespoons of maple syrup for sweetness, some vanilla, and then some nice fresh Pela coffee.
The good
Coffee.
Am I supposed to be zooming in and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Get, you know, the good shot.
So we're not composting anything in this, but...
Zero waste.
Bye. Well, all we're gonna do to start off is just blend all of these ingredients in our nice Ninja. So we'll blend it, then heat it, then add it to our hot coffee, which is getting colder by the second, so let's hurry up.
So just everything
Yep,
go?
put everything in. Pumpkin spice, a couple teaspoons or tablespoons of maple syrup.
Oh, that's just it, not all of that?
Nope, the whole thing. And then about a cup and a half of oat milk. And they can just do like a splash of vanilla.
Splash.
Ooh, okay.
lot.
Tsunami. You're just gonna put the lid on and blend that together.
I make fun of everyone for this, and now is the
This is the true test.
Okay.
Look at that, just like a pro. I think you've done it before.
I'm just gonna hit one.
Sure. Ooh. Ooh.
That smells like pumpkin pie.
It does.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
So
We're
let's
good?
take it out and we're gonna heat it up in a little pan. Saucepan, let's do a saucepan.
There's a good chunk of pumpkin. Yum.
Don't know if you wanted to eat that guy.
We're both October babies, so we should have the taste of
we should. So put that in there and we'll use a little,
This part,
yeah. Oh, that looks nice and creamy. I don't even know, is it a syrup they use at Starbucks or?
Yeah, I don't know.
Not real pumpkin puree. No.
We should do a pumpkin with like a Pela logo carving
Aww.
in it. That would be cute.
I like the insides of the pumpkin.
All the stringy bits.
Are you serious? Like raw?
Yeah.
You look so odd.
All right, here's the true test.
Oh my gosh, I'm so clumsy.
Here are your barista skills.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Was that well done or what?
nice.
Pretty intense.
Can I do it again?
Good job, Tess. Okay. Whoa.
That is so good.
I'm a believer. Now I get it.
Now I'm a PSL lover. It's
And I'm
not
happy-
sweet like Starbucks.
And I'm happy that we didn't add all of the maple syrup. Like we only added 2 tablespoons. It's supposed to be 3 because it's not like super sweet.
Yeah,
Good job.
we did good.
I feel like sitting in front of like a window like this.
It's kind of rainy out. This is a nice.
This
like,
is absolutely perfect. Everyone
Like
needs
a
to go make
book.
this. Yes. Yeah. Or Netflix. That's awesome. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers for the 5th time. That's all for this week's episode. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.